YouTube channel. It's been a little while since I've done proper long format video. Last long format video I did was the Baldies Basics one, but I made that when I was 11 years old, so I thought, you know what, let's post it. I'm on my mini double chin at the moment. It's just a really bad angle. But yeah, no, today we're going to be doing a mini squishy haul, and I'm just going to rant on about my life. I actually tried to record this video earlier, but the file didn't save, which I am so pissed about. But then again, I'm just like, you know what, we can just record it, re-record it, it's fine, it doesn't matter. But yeah, my first squishy that I want to show you guys. These are actually all squishies that my sister gave to me. So these were originally my sister's. So my first squishy is this Spiggle one that my sister gave to me. I love the sounds it makes as well. But yeah, no, I'm sick at the moment. So I thought, you know what, let's do a squishy haul while I am sick. I have barely been able to get out of bed today. I've got a cold, which I caught about a week ago, which is like, yeah, no, I hate it when I get colds. They're horrible. And I've been coughing and like all that other crap. So please go away soon. But you know, also had a SAC yesterday. So for those who don't know what SACs are, they are school assessed. It stands for school assessed coursework, which is what we use in Australia to determine like our ATARs and that, which is what gets us into university when we get like when we graduate. So I don't know what I want to do when I graduate high school. I think I want to go into IT. IT is my favorite subject at school, so you know. This little cheese squishy. I love the sound this one makes. But yeah, I want you guys to comment. Actually, can you guys comment down below what your favorite subjects at school are? Because personally, my first favorite is IT. But I'm curious to know what your favorite subject is, or if you've got multiple. I love this cheese squishy. I love the sounds it makes. Also, don't mind my hands are a little bit dry. I've moisturised them, but they're still dry at the moment. I don't know why. I don't know if you guys can see either, because the camera's kind of like just blurted out. Guys, these dumpling squishies that my sister also gave to me. It's basically a squishy haul of what my sister's given to me. These dumpling squishies, which I love them so much. So I don't know if you guys know, but I think these are the knockoff ones. So they've actually got toxic stuff inside of them. Luckily, I haven't popped them yet. I think I'm gonna throw them out later though, because the substance is not good for you. Sorry. Yeah, no, the substance in these squishies are toxic for you, so that's why. But I do like the colours and the sounds they make. Especially my two favourites are probably the blue and the pink ones. But the white one looks like a real dumpling, because dumplings are usually white. I don't know, maybe one day they'll make a pink dumpling and I can eat a pink dumpling. But yeah, no, I like these are very satisfying, these dumplings. Viral butter squishy now. This is another one my sister gave to me because she already has one. So I think she traded for this squishy. But you know, I love it as well. It's very squishy, you could say. A little butter. Maybe I should do Nee Doh tower after this. Maybe I should play that and show it to you guys. I don't know. I just thought once I've recorded. I'm wearing long sleeve and shorts at the moment. Long sleeve top. And then I've also got shorts as well on. I don't know why. I'm overheating on my legs for some reason, but I'm cold like up here. I don't know why that is, but this is I might do like a wax cracking. Should I pour like wax on this butter? Would you guys want to see a wax cracking butter squishy video? Please let me know down in the comments. Little Minecraft squishy. I have to be quick because I've got family friends over now. It's got like putty in it. And I've also got this colour changing Nee Doh. But yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to play Nee Doh Tower after this for you guys, and I'm going to record it for you. Sorry, I'm on my chin. I'm going to be a double one.